This video demonstrates the process of installing a service pack to update your software. It guides you through locating the executable, allowing installation, and confirming completion. To install a service pack, after downloading, go into the folder to find the executable file and double-click. If it requires you to allow it, say yes and wait for the installation process. A few windows will pop up to show its progress. Once this icon here at the bottom disappears, you're ready to run the software. You now have the latest version installed. Run the program as normal.